Shandong Shuangli International Trading Company Limited, founded in 2016, is located in Liaocheng City, Shandong Province, the heart of China's modern agricultural manufacturing. Our associated factory, Shandong Shuangli Modern Agricultural Equipment Company Limited, covers more than 42,000 square meters and is home to 240 skilled employees. We operate 4 advanced tractor production lines and a professional tricycle line, supported by over 600 sets of modern equipment for assembly, painting, axle processing, welding, and precision machining, with an annual output value exceeding 300 million RMB. Shuangli is dedicated to producing high-performance tractors and 3-wheeled vehicles, delivering advanced solutions that empower modern agriculture worldwide. Driven by innovation and solid financial strength, Shuangli H has become a trusted name in tractors, diesel tricycles, harvesters, and agricultural implements. Our professional teams focus on product design, quality control, and global operations, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. To guarantee excellence, we operate under a modern quality management system aligned with international certifications such as CE and ISO 9001. Our products are widely recognized in overseas markets. We also offer OEM and ODM services, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. Shandong Shuangli, powering the future of modern agriculture with quality, technology, and trust.